Anuj Agarwal. Let me quickly introduce Anuj Agarwal. Anuj owns a premium gifting brand by the name 999 Silver. At 999 Silver, they manufacture silver-plated gift items such as which are top-notch quality, the kind of quality which proudly boasts of clients like the Glenn family, the single malt leaders of the world. So if you wish to gift your loved one something special, Anuj is your guy to connect with. So over to you, Anuj.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Just I'll share my screen. Just
Good morning.
Yeah, you can share your screen after screen share.
Can everyone have a look at my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sure. Great. So good morning. I'm Anuj Agarwal from Plastic India, and 999 Silver is our silver brand name, and we do a few other things as well. So I'll briefly run you through everything. So this is my career profile. So I did my MBA in 2004. I finished that in 2004 and joined SR Steel Limited as project finance division. And but my career in SR was cut short due to some family engagements and all. So I left the job towards the end of 2005, and we started Plastic India. The first business that we started doing over here was chrome plating on plastic. What you see, LG and Samsung business, we started plating their refrigerator door handles and all that stuff. In 2007, we set up an aluminium continuous casting and rolling mill in Bhiwadi. But this project did not click well for us, so we had to shut this down. In 2008, we started doing some tin plating on brass strip for automobile sector. 2010 was when we started our silver electroforming business and started manufacturing pure silver and silver plated articles. 2016, we put up another factory in Ghaziabad, wherein we are doing injection molding of various products. 2019, last year we established another line of silver plating on brass terminals, especially for Cummins. And we are also in the process of putting up another plant in Anand Industrial Area, Ghaziabad. So primarily, we operate in two business verticals. Vertical one being industrial side, wherein we are manufacturing and act as service providers to various industries. And second business, wherein we manufacture luxury silver gifting products. So briefly talking about the industrial trade, so we are competent manufacturers for home appliances. So over here we talk about primarily players like Philips, Yamaha, LG, Samsung, Whirlpool. We started with the trade of chrome plating on plastic only. So these were the products, like we do lots of chrome plating for Jaguar, for some automobiles, for LG fridge handles, for washing machine front loading covers, whatever you see chrome plated, we do lots of that plating for the organized trade in the industry. Eventually, we started doing injection molding of these components as well. So that was a backward integration in the same trade. So now we get the molds from the companies like MNCs like LG, Samsung, Yamaha, Philips. We mold their product, we electroplate their product and provide them the final product. Apart from this, we also do tin plating on brass strip, which is used in automobile sector for their harness manufacturing. So terminals, unke jo harnesses bante hain, uske liye we do tin plating on brass strips, and we supply this to players like Midda, Motherson, Sumi, and such players who ultimately do harness manufacturing for big automobile players. Last year, we had put in a specialized line for Cummins. Cummins have these Daimler trucks, the Ram trucks. For them, they required some silver plating on their very peculiar parts, small parts, but which were very tricky and very well. So silver. So last year we had installed that plant of silver plating on terminals, and it is a CQI 11 plant, and all the necessary audits of the automobile sectors are passed in this plant. So this is what we do, and this is where we intend to reach. So as of now, in automobile sector, we do not have too much of presence. However, that would be the area that we really want to be. These are some of the examples of tin plating on brass strips. And if on the right, you can see the terminal that is actually made out of these products. What is the way forward is from a single service provider to become a complete service provider. Like we said, we did backward integration and started injection molding of ours as well. So similarly, we need to do some improvement of our facility and various things. So we already put in a injection molding plant. We were in the process of putting up another plating plant in Ghaziabad. However, post-corona, we have deferred that decision as of now. And we are always in a lookout for a new technology, whatever is coming in the market, so that you can tap the customers and provide them the best possible products. Now coming to the gifting side of the trade. So we provide lots and lots of silver plated and pure silver gifting products to the industry under the brand name of Triple Nine Silver. Why we call it as gifting products? Because though they are on silver products only, and anyone can go and buy it for themselves as well. However, 85 to 90% of our products are being gifted, are being used as a gifts to others. So we call ourselves as a gifting solution provider. And talking about few USPs that we have in the trade. So we have an in-house designing team out and out, right from the concept development to a sketch to final modeling to complete product development. It is done in-house. Our quality is unmatched. There's nothing to boast about it, but in India, no one matches our quality. Originally, these products used to come from Italy only. But if we talk as on date, our quality surpasses some of the Italian products as well. Because we have our own designing and all those capabilities, we can customize your products to whatever extent. Back in 2012, now defunct Vijay Mallya, we customized a gifting range for him for Diwali and supplied it to him. At that point of time, he was a big shot, and whatever he liked used to be the trend in the market. We create very innovative products. We try to create lots of innovative products, new designs, new technologies, like, again, mixing and matching various mediums and coming out with a beautiful gift for your loved ones. Our clientele, our list of customers is very prime. So we say if you have, I'll discuss more about this, about my clients in a later slide. So we love using semi-precious gemstones as a add-on medium. Like we use agate, rose quartz, petrified wood, amethyst in a very creative way for the domestic market. And when it comes to exports, we are open to using other stones as well. These all stones have wellness values, and they are stunningly beautiful. And ultimately creating masterpiece. This is again a USP. We really get into a design nerve, and we want it to come out as a real standout piece. So we ultimately want to be a Yadro of silver electroforming. The way people really like to see Yadro pieces. So that is our goal. That is where we want to reach in future. Luxury and premium gifting industry, if we divide it, it can be divided into primarily three segments. So there are designer studios, wherein people like Fraser and Hawes or Ravison or DMart or Raison operate. The next would be premium gifting chains. These are all organized players who are established and who have multiple stores in the industry. And people over here are like Momin Zikani, Shahze by TBZ Jewelers, Episode, Bailey Rams. And there are few boutique stores. Now, these are standalone stores, but they do exceedingly well. Good established boutique stores. Like Anique was there in Select City Walk. It got shut down last week only. Now they're operating out of a kiosk only. And there are big jewelers who are interested in silver trade as well. and silversmiths are always there, butters and IP jewelers and similar people. Then there are trousseau packages, wedding packages. So lots of our products do move in the premium wedding segment. So these could be important. And then there are wedding planners. So out of these, if we see, we are already somewhere or the other connected with lots of these people. So designer studios, we do contract manufacturing for them. For premium gifting chains, again, Moments, we do some contract manufacturing. And Shaze, we do some contract manufacturing. Ikani and Bailey Ram share products from our catalog. So they do not have any specialized designs from us. They sell whatever we provide as a bouquet every year. And luxury stores as well, luxury boutique, also we are very much prevalent. However, we think we have lots of scope of improvement in this red area. Big jewelers, big silversmiths, so true wedding planners. There's no end to how you can grow with tying up with these players. So it is very important to tie up with these players. These are some of the products that we have launched. Just the catalog was ready last night only. We have launched them. So this is a big wedding card, around 2 feet wide. A fruit bowl with a 15-inch vase, glass vase. Running horses, a decorative piece for your console. This is a bird nut bowl, so can be used as a good wedding gift or generally can be used at home as well. A fierce panther, lion. So we have launched a serveware collection this year. So what you see, this the stone over here is not wood; it is petrified wood. So wood has been fossilized into a stone over a period of thousands of years, and now it has all the physical properties of a stone. And we have made some section in the form of palm leaves for dips. So you can use it as a chicken tikka platter or paneer tikka platter, whatever, and have the dips over here. We have launched with lots of people staying at home and eating. We have launched lots of tableware and serveware collection this year. Again, a Krishna, a nut bowl with a bamboo kind of a design, a rose quartz bowl with a modern bird sitting over it, a Krishna with a copper morpang behind him. So this is a snapshot of what we do as of now. And potential clients, if we talk about who could be good clients for us, it could be anyone and everyone. So lots of our gifts actually go in the what we call as dignitaries gifting and all that stuff. Lots of IAS and all get our gifts. So our basic punchline to everyone is an IAS gets like 1,000 gifts in a Diwali season. If you want from those 1,000 products, he might take 10 or 15 to his home. And if you want your product to be taken home, we can really help you out with that, because our products really stand out and leave a lasting impression. And otherwise, if you wish to help us, you can get us connected with corporates, wedding planners, wedding clients, or anyone and everyone who's looking out to buy pretty stuff and gift it to others or buy it for themselves. And these are our social media. We have a functional website, 999silver.in, and we have an Instagram and Facebook page. We recently started getting into social media, thanks to Manzil members for the motivation and everything. And we have a Facebook page as well. And thanks a lot for this. And now there's a pain area that I wish to discuss with all of you. So we supply stuff to various premium stores across India. To name a few, in Delhi, you can find a product at most of the Bailey Rams. So I could have said all Bailey Rams, but we pick and choose not to supply to some of them. So most of Bailey Rams, Bhattar, then there is home decor stores like Ishatvam premium stores. Then there are organized players like Ekani carries our catalog. Fraser पे कुछ सामान होता है हम लोगों का, Fraser and Horse पे. Though most of the designs that they carry are designed for themselves, for them only. Lekin moment we step out of Delhi, we find it really hard to find these kind of stores. In Delhi, we have specialized gifting stores, specialized stores where you can place your product and it starts moving really fast. However, when you go to, and you have few in Mumbai as well, but moment you go to other metros, you find either there's a typical silversmith जो चांदी के glass और कटोरे और ये सब बेचता है, or there's a jeweler who is more interested in selling his diamond stuff or ये gold stuff. But there are no what we call as saji hui dukane, wherein your premium stuff, your really beautiful stuff, your designer stuff can move. So people like Moments and Ikani, what they have done is they've gone ahead and established their own franchisee network, and they've developed players and motivated them to open their own franchisee stores and gone that model. That may not suit us because we do not have a variety to fill a complete store. So how to locate such places across India wherein you get like-minded people who can really promote your stuff is a big problem for us. So if people can help us find a solution for it.
Okay. Thank you very much, Anuj.